Am I sick? Or am I lost? Always chasing something, not knowing where to look or what to find. How do I live life without ever feeling alive? Constantly fighting with myself and my own mind. Will this ever end? Do I make it end? When the greatest highs turn to the deepest lows, times without trust and any hope, I just want to disappear. Dive into the world instead of drowning in my thoughts, chasing the joy which is somewhere to be found. But why do I keep looking for something that's already around?